Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download the different versions of a Dawncraft mode for Minecraft. And to do this, you will simply need to download the CurseForge app. I showed you previously on how to install the Dawncraft mode itself, and you can watch it to learn how to get this CurseForge, but it's pretty simple. Just go for this website and install it. Then when we're ready, we can go for the CurseForge itself. Here, select the Minecraft, and you probably already downloaded the Dawncraft, one of the versions at least. So we're gonna go and search for the Dawncraft. Select it, then go for the versions, and inside there's all of the previous or current version of the game mode, and when you see it, then you can click on each of the versions and this download button to install this mode. So for example, let's go for this one. We're gonna install it. It will take some time. So the installation is actually done, and to check this specific version so we can launch to see all of the versions that we have installed, we just need to click on this Minecraft sign right here in the CurseForge app, and then you can see the version that we downloaded. It's this one, and we can simply click on play to launch it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.